She gonna make it, Greer? What do you think? Get it!
Let you make it.
Hey-oh! Oh, more snacks, huh? What do you think, Bugs? She can make it?
Oh yeah.
I don't know. Is it good so far? So that thing just goes right on top of the water, doesn't it? Oh, she's actually in it. Interesting. I didn't know you could stop there. You got it, Tony. She got out. You're good.
I already fucking flipped. I already flipped, dude.
It's a little different. A little different. You're good.
I held on forever, but I was like, okay, and then I just failed.
Right.
I haven't even had
You're good.
This should be pretty good.
Straighten her out, buddy. You good. You got this.
Do it backwards.
Yeah, backwards. You just.
Yeah, I'm flipping it when I come back in. I look forward to that backwards.
Keep her straight. Barely right of center.
Got it.
I'm using all of them in there.
Oh, I think he made it now. He's good.
Oh, he's good.
Heck yeah. Score. How did he flip it up?